Morning. We're back out. It's a lot better. The mouth's gone down a bit now. But yeah, I had to cancel the other day on Ian. I couldn't have went. Yeah, it would have been no fun. So last minute cancellation. But I'm out this morning. I'm just heading up to my mum's. I've got a job to do. I'll have my dinner there and then I'll head off for a little ride after lunch. But it's a cold, overcast December morning, but good to be out. Yeah, a bit of a blockage back there. That wasn't on the last time I come down here, but it's possibly been a couple of weeks since I was last through this way, so things are always changing. So I got the quick job done at my mum's, had my dinner and back out. It's a lovely afternoon now. But yeah, just unfortunate I had to cancel on Monday. It's now Thursday, but Monday I was in agony, so yeah, I had to pull it. And it's one canal trip that I'm not looking forward to. That being the root canal trip that I need to have that done in a couple of weeks to stop any reoccurrence of this this gum, tooth, whatever you want to. It's all related. It's all problematic. And it's all very expensive, so it's bad timing. But that needs rectified, so but hey up. So we do have a trip planned, got tickets organised, hopefully next Friday, week of Friday, get it in before the year end. Just an overnighter, just meeting up at point A, then finishing at point B at a different location, catch the train home. So, and in the meantime we're going to hopefully enjoy a few beers, some nice food along the way, and just a chilled, relaxed camp. What you really want at the end of the year. No big goals to aim for mileage wise, just a steady away ride out. That sun is bright for a change. So another excuse to get out today was I've purchased a new drone, the DJI Neo, which you can fly without a controller or with a controller. So you know, I can still use it for the follow me shots and stuff like that. But then if I want to get anything a bit more scenic, I can use the controller and stick it higher up in the air, get an overall view of the area that we're cycling or camping in. Just gives it that little extra. But yeah, I'm just getting to grips with it. I have already got the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is a bit bigger, a bit more fiddly because you've got to open it up, and it just takes that little bit longer. This one, out the bag, press power, connect with the controller, and away you go. Or you can just fly it as handheld, put it in your hand, press a button, pick the setting, whoosh, and it'll follow you, whatever, from the front, from the rear. So yeah, a nice piece of kit. I'm going into the woods now. But, the only downside is the battery only lasts about 30, if that, 20 minutes I think maybe. I've got a couple of batteries, but while you're practicing and faffing, you do use a lot of battery power till I get to know exactly how it works. But yeah, hoping to take it next week. Obviously the colder weather's going to eat the batteries, so we'll see. But yeah, we're going to turn that way now. End of this road, turn right over the where them trees are over there. It's very quiet around here, very quiet. Yeah, I took my gloves off while I was doing a bit of filming with the drone and that. Didn't put them back on. Certainly feel them. I mean, it's only 20 to 2 in the afternoon, but it's fresh. So yeah, it's going to be cold next week. So yeah, the winter bikepacking trips tend to be just overnighters, because just to keep ticking of it, it's difficult. Cold, obviously you've got to pack for keeping warm on the night, decent sleep bag, decent sleep mat. I'll be taking my softy pants and jacket, so a double layer. I'll have my thick gloves with us, just cold weather gear really. Nothing worse than being cold on camp. This will be a mud fest. NCN 7. Yep, as expected, it's very moist along here. So full concentration, or I'll be in a pile on the deck. Yeah, it's a bit cut up in places, not too bad. Been a few bikes down though, so it's in a bit of action. Right, as you can see, I'm out on the gravel bike today. So that is the DJI Neo. As I say, you can fly it with or without a controller. That is the controller, your phone attaches to that. But the last piece I did was a follow me, and I just done it automatically. Basically you just press the button and it follows you, which is ideal for just doing quick, you know, follow me type shots. Just downloading some of the footage to my phone. It's charging because I left the battery at home, so I've got a power bank in here charging up. I thought I'd brought the battery with us, but I can't have done. No, I haven't. That's cables. I thought I had. I left it upstairs. But yeah, it's just nice to be out. One of my usual quiet spots, NCN 7. Very quiet today. Got the river line below us here. Very quiet. Well, apart from the busy A7 over there, you can hear that in the background, chunnering away. Yeah, the fields are all flooded. This always floods this area here. I need to come back when it's up a bit, bring the drone and get some decent footage, because this whole area just floods, big floodplain. This doesn't, but the fields do. Yeah, so this is more of a waffling video than anything cycling. How was that getting on? Yeah, the blue line nearly there, so nearly there. So yeah, super light, it's just absolutely weighs nothing. Got a 4K camera on it, with different modes here for choosing whatever you want. You can do like a circle, like a droney, say follow me, both from the back and the front. So yeah, I had the Hover X1, that was only 2.7K, a lot smaller. I mean, DJI looks like they're going to be bringing out one like this, but with folding wings. That would be even better, because then it can just fit in one of these pouches. Absolutely perfect. So I'll be on the lookout for that when it comes out. It's supposed to be in the new year, late in January, so we'll see. Mudon Road. Back on the quieter roads towards town. We're on about 13 now, probably about 7 or 8 to do, so just a little ride out really. Just make sure the legs are still working after being ill. Antibiotics there, tire you out like, so I finished those yesterday morning. I felt knackered last night, but I'm not bad today, not bad. Just good to be out. Fresh air in the lungs. That's what we need. So hopefully, fingers crossed, next week, next Friday, a week of Friday, we'll be out on a trip. You know, looking forward to it. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.